Okay, this question we have got to solve for y. We've got a quarter upon y plus 3 minus 2 is equal to a half upon 3 minus 2y. Now my way of doing these is I'll rewrite this thing first of all as y plus 3 all over 4, and then I'm going to bring the 2 across the other side, the minus 2 across the other side I should say, and it becomes positive 2, and then this thing comes across to the left hand side and I'm going to write it as 3 minus 2y all over 2. And that would also be negative. Now what I want to do is take a common denominator. So if you get confused with these, just go back to something that you do understand. If I had a quarter minus a half, I would take a common denominator of 4. So over here on the left hand side, I want to take a common denominator of 4. So the top line already has a denominator 4, it's fine. This next bit, it doesn't have a common denominator 4, so you need to multiply your bottom line by 2 to get 4, so you multiply your top line by 2 as well. Now, let's just multiply out this top line. I'm just going to leave the 4 where it is. Top line is y plus 3, and then here, just going to look at this, minus 2 times minus 3. Everyone's going to get right, it's minus 6. But this next bit, 50% of people get this bit wrong. Minus 2 times minus 2y would be plus 4y. So tidy up the top line, then you've got 5y minus 3 all over 4 is equal to 2, and then it's a 3-step linear equation. We'll multiply across by the 4, so you'll have 5y minus 3 is equal to 8, and we'll bring the 3 across, you'll have 8 plus 3, so 5y is equal to 11, and then y is equal to 11 divided by 5, and what is 11 divided by 5? It is 2 1/5, and hopefully that is the right answer.